Well, good morning, guys. This is another jolly day for me, and after work, I got tired of heavy traffic here in Pasig, so welcome to my vlog. So I want to show you something, a really practical meal that you can order here in Jollibee for the affordable price of 150 bucks. So instead of ordering the breakfast meal, it will cost you more than 150. This is what I ordered, the mix and match meals here in Jollibee. So take a look. What I have here, yeah. Well, for this one, it consists of Jolly spaghetti and this ice cream, and also fries and a burger steak. So if you order like a set main meal, like I ordered this Jolly burger spaghetti, and my side dish would be the fries. So the next one is the Jolly spaghetti and also the ice cream, so it costs 75 also. So overall I ordered around 150 bucks for this one, and I get the best meal out of it because this is really affordable. And of course, let's say that it makes my day full. Instead of ordering like one meal, it'll cost you 150. It doesn't go a long way in my morning because I need to sleep. Sleep at noon because my work is, of course, a night shift. So this is what I always order if I get tired from heavy traffic. And of course, enjoy my meal here in Jollibee. Again, if you're going to order the mix and match meals, it's really really good. You could get their best money out of it, out of 150 bucks, and you just get a glass of water, of course, just to, you know, get the drinks in. So like and subscribe, seriously, on my YouTube channel. Like and subscribe.